Hello. Do you want to create teaching videos while looking at your audience and simultaneously writing on paper, annotating, drawing figures, shapes, and deriving mathematical formula? For this, you may need two cameras to work simultaneously. One camera will be focusing on your face as you explain and maintain eye contact with your students, and the other camera should focus on the writing material. It would be ideal if you could have two webcams, but nowadays it is difficult to find webcams online. The prices of webcams have shot up, and moreover, they are not available. So, if you want to record quality videos with whatever resources you have, then I'm going to show you a technique of how to utilize those resources to the maximum. I am recording this video and I'm talking to you with my Logitech Brio webcam. You can use a phone camera also to record video like this by connecting it to your computer and using it as a webcam. In that case, if you want to record footage of your written material, then you need another phone cam. If you want to simultaneously write on a piece of paper, then you need another camera from another phone, smartphone. Having got phone cameras enabled, you connect both of them to your laptop. My Logitech Brio webcam is connected to the laptop with its own software called Logitech Capture. And the footage from my smartphone, which I'm going to show you shortly, will be recorded, will be captured in my laptop through a dedicated app called AirDroid, which is available in the app market. So this is the device. You can see my tripod here. And to the tripod, I have fixed a L-shaped bracket here, mounted it to a tripod, and this L-shaped bracket has got a phone clamp here. Now the phone is looking down and I can record overhead video with this phone camera. I'm going to show you the footage from the other camera. I have my other camera open and you can see the footage of that camera here. I'm going to write on this sheet of paper. I can have a split view with me and you also looking at the sheet of paper like this. So here I am writing on the sheet of paper. If you don't want to waste paper, you can use a tablet, and I'm going to show you that also now. I'm going to show you how to annotate on a tablet here. Like that, you will have a similar experience to how you write on a blackboard in a classroom, physical classroom, and maintain eye contact with your students. You can see the sheet of paper on which I'm going to write. When you have finished writing and explaining to your students, you can come back to the full view of yourself like this and conclude your talk or presentation. So I hope you like this video. If you did, Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel Madras Joint Replacement Center MJRC. Hit the bell icon. I will see you in the next video.